This is the Highline Warm White LED strip at 3000 Kelvin. It is a 24 volt LED strip at IP00, non-waterproof. It has cutting points every 25 millimeters, and it is powered by the new high efficiency SMD 3528 chip. It has 6 of them every 25 millimeters, with a total of 240 LEDs per meter. It has a 10mm width PCB, and with a power consumption of 19.2 watts per meter, it can generate up to 1500 lumens per meter at a CRI of above 80. On the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.